Hi, my name is Vivian and I'm here with Makartt today to show you this Labradorite-inspired nail design using all Makartt products. Okay, so we're going to start off by pushing back the cuticles and buffing the surface of the nail. And after you do that, you're going to cleanse the nail with nail surface cleanser or alcohol. Next, we're going to apply nail glue to the full cover tip and apply it to the nail. Apply a coat of dark blue jelly polish and cure. Using black gel polish and a flat brush, we're going to create some veins. Using the brush almost parallel to the nail will help with that. And then we're going to add more layers of veins using teal and green gel polishes and curing in between each layer. Add some gold flakes if you choose. And finish with a top coat and cure. Apply dark blue jelly polish and cure. Using black gel polish and a flat brush, create veins and cure. Add a top coat and cure. Using the gold galaxy stick, make some lines next to the veins. Using nail surface cleanser, alcohol, and a brush, refine the shape of the gold lines. Finish with a top coat and cure. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this blue mineral design. Head over to Makartt.com to purchase all products used in this tutorial.